Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office. And today we get to unbox the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So let's get in and let's get into it. Okay guys, so as we said, we're unboxing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy is this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Say that like 5 times fast. Is $25 a month, and so this is for 5 full-size products. So different than the $10 box that we get each month, that you can get each month with the deluxe and sample sizes. These are totally full-size products, which is why this is definitely my favorite subscription that I get every month, because it never has failed me so far. I've been a subscriber for the Glam Bag Plus for a couple months, and I totally love it because it gives you full-size products that I totally can use every month. So never mad at any of the products so far. So if you guys don't know anything about Ipsy, I will have the link for Ipsy in the description box below, plus a detail of everything that was included in this box, as I do with every unboxing. So let's get into the box. So as you can see here, or here, so this is the box, and let's take a look. And it comes padded, and in each box it says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you," which I totally love. And it always comes secure so that none of your products are broken. And you guys can see a little bit of what is in my box, but they always give you a pamphlet so that you guys can take a look and see. Let me see, what is this? These are different stories. Let me see if I have the pamphlet. And I don't have a pamphlet, so I don't know. Sorry, I don't have like a full description as far as the retail value of the products. Let me just double check one more thing. Yeah, I don't have the, okay, so this is the first time I don't have the full, the products. But I will put the retail value of everything at the end of the video and in the description box below. So never fear, you guys will know that by the time this video is up, so no worries. So let's just start off with what is in this box. So first, I see here, these are Be Beautiful BU F.A.R.A.H brushes, so you guys can see that there. And these are, I know for sure these are like eye brushes. Let me see if we can at least pull one out. These are for your eye makeup. And I am in the process, the reason why I started subscriptions was so that I can replace everything that I have. So you guys can see that there. So not bad at all. And I know for sure that these have like a retail value of $50. If I'm wrong, again, I will put that in the description box below. So you get 5 different eyelash or eyebrow brushes. So that is one thing here. And then the next thing I have is from, here it says it's from Sundays. I'm not too sure what this even is. I think this was, because I can't help myself, I always look at the spoilers. So this is nail polish, and this is, it says here it's number 44. For me, it's kind of like a greenish color. So if you guys can see that there, it's sort of green, which totally kind of could have matched my shirt today. So that is pretty. Definitely, I don't mind different color nail polishes, because I'm definitely in the process of, and the reason why I started subscriptions again was to replace everything that I had. So everything actually was in the garbage back when I started these subscriptions in the beginning of the year. So I am down to 0. So I do not have this color. So I definitely don't mind receiving that as a subscription. I'm sure eventually, and with Ipsy, you can update your profile. So if you don't want nail polishes, you can totally change it. Right now I do, so I don't mind getting this color, and it's very pretty, so not mad at that. And then the next thing I have here is from GOLDFADEN MD, and this is a, what is this? Is this Dr. Scrub? Is this a scrub? Hold on. Oh, it's a cleansing scrub. Oh wait, is it? Hold on. What is this? Medium microderm application. I'm not too sure. I will put that, I get a 0 on this one. I'll put what this is in the description below so you guys can check it out. It just says GOLDFADEN MD solution. It says Dr. Scrub exfoliation. Duh, that's why I need my glasses. So this is an exfoliator, so that's cool. So you exfoliate your face. Let me see if we can open this up and take a smell just to see what it smells like. So I should have worn my glasses. Next time I will. Let me see. So it actually has, and it's filled to the top so you guys can see that also. This has like a lemony smell to it, so definitely not mad at that. And I love skincare, so I am not mad at this at all. Especially last month we got Sunday Riley, and I am totally loving that. It kind of puts me in the mind of Sunday Riley, so if you got that last month, definitely this smells similar to it. And then the next thing here we have is from AHAVA, and this is a hydration cream mask. And if you guys know anything about me or you follow this channel, you guys know that I totally love face sheet mask. Any type of mask, I'm down with that. So definitely excited to try this one here. And again, underneath each item I will put the retail value for you guys so that you guys can check it out too. So you guys will know more than me, and I'll put that in the description box below so you can check it out. And then the next item here we have is in the palm of your hand, and this is by the Balm Cosmetics, and you guys can see that there. So let us take a look. This says greatest, this is from the Balm, greatest is volume 2. So if you see that there also. And then it looks like there's a bunch of different, seems like neutral colors. And usually from what I've seen in other videos, usually all the things on the back, all those little palettes, usually get those as one palette or one eyeshadow palette in your little Ipsy. So maybe you've seen these colors before. I've never. So you see there is a mirror. I'm not going to kill you guys with the lights, but those are the colors. Definitely we will swatch these. So it looks like on the bottom there's a bronzer. Let me see. This is a bronzer. There's a blush, and what is this? This is probably another brush, but this is your bronzer, and these are the blushes that you have, so that's cool. And then above, these are all your eyeshadows. So let me try to do a swatch really quick so you guys can take a look to see how it swatches. And of course, I'm sure you guys know when you do swatches, usually it's not exactly the way that it comes on your eye, because your eyes can be totally different, but you can see that there. So the very first one is, what is that? The very first one on the bottom is actually this one. And then I can't really see what that one is, but the next one is Matte Russo. And what is weird is that I think I went to high school with a Matte Russo, so that is really, 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 really weird. And then the next one is Alice, hold on. Wait, hold on. Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm going backwards. This one is Matte Reed. This one is Nude. The next one here. This one is Alice Cooper, and this one is Matte Russo. So all of those colors are pretty, and this one probably is a highlighter. So that's the highlighter, and I'm not going to swatch the bronzer or the blushes because you guys can have an idea of what that would look like, but I think these are really pretty. I don't have anything like these colors in my palette. I think I got something very similar to, I think, Alice Cooper, but I got that in a Laura Beauty box. So definitely don't have a palette with any of these colors. So if you see that, it looks really good for my skin tone, so I'm definitely not mad at that. I work from home, so every day I do not have to wear makeup, but at least they're light and they're not like crazy. So like today I came home from an open house, so I kind of put stuff together really quick and then came back and said, you know what, I got my Ipsy, let me try to do a video really quick since I got my makeup on, and then I can digress. All right, so let's do a recap and see everything that came in the box. So first we have the palette, and this seems like it's really good because it can basically do your whole face. It has a bronzer, it has a highlighter, it has a blushes, and then it has an eye palette. So definitely not mad at this one. So you got the Balm Cosmetics. We have a hydration cream mask from AHAVA, and then we have the exfoliator from GOLDFADEN MD. So we have that there, so you guys can see that. And then we have the nail polish from Sundays. Not mad at that because I don't have that in my nail collection. And then we have eyeshadow brushes, which again, I don't have any eyeshadow brushes. I do, but they're really old, so I can now finally throw them away. So this was what was in my box, my Ipsy this month. Did you guys get any of these products? Definitely let me know if we are box twins or if we got anything similar. If you didn't get the same thing, what did you guys get in your Ipsy? Definitely let me know in the comments section below. Are you an Ipsy subscriber? I always put spoilers on this channel, so if you dig subscription boxes or if you love spoilers for Ipsy, definitely make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. So guys, definitely have a good day, and let me know in the comment section below if you got anything similar, if you got the same products. But with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.